Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Izbat An Naj fig. My understanding is from Egypt. It doesn't look like it's totally ripe yet, but we're going to go ahead and open it up and give it a shot and see what it looks like. This is a later ripening fig for us. We're deep into fig season now, so I'd say about midway through. But because we're in such a cool environment up here in Washington State, our season is kind of condensed into the early fall. So we get figs here from September through October, and then by November the weather is getting pretty bad, and we'll have our first frost generally in mid-November or something like that. But by that time the figs just aren't getting enough energy, and it's just hard for them to ripen. So you get a lot of figs on the tree that look like they're ripe, but we'll open them up and they're not that case. But in this case, I think we'll be okay. We can try it. I have two here, but I'm going to leave this one just in case this one isn't ripe. We can come back in a week or so and try that one. So let's go ahead and take it off and we'll go see how it looks. My understanding is that this is from Egypt. Now let's go ahead and take a look at it. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty ripe in there. And that is a very, very pretty honey fig. It's very symmetrical. We just looked at Kudsea, and that was kind of a different fig. It was, even though it's also from the Middle East, it's just a really different fig. But this one is a classic honey fig and looks great. Like I said, it wasn't quite ripe, so the flesh or the pulp hadn't quite pushed out to the exterior skin, but maybe in a few more days, when we try that other one that I left on the tree in a week or so, that should be quite a bit more filled out. Okay, let's go ahead and take a taste. Yeah, I ate a bunch of skin there, so it's not quite ripe, but that part that is ripe in the middle is very good. Very honey sweet, no kind of other flavor to it. It's just that honey sweet that you get with lighter colored figs and lighter colored other fruit as well. This is Izbat An Naj fig, middle season fig for us. Honey type fig, great tasting. And yeah, it's just a nice fig. Got a yellow exterior. And if you're lacking a honey fig, you should try this one.